Hi Paulus, Edward Hong here from FFCA in Republic of Korea. Today, I'm going to open a box that is the Cessna 182 Skylane from HSD Jet. Let's go together. Alright, I need a knife. Okay, let's open the box. Yeah, it's a very big box. The rank says 141.5 millimeters and depth is 37.5 centimeters and height is 37 centimeters. To protect the contents and wings here, black twin and white twin here, and some manuals here and stickers and wrap with paper strip-ons. I don't need this one right now. Let's take it out. Yes, they have two color trims, the blue one and the red one. I choose the red one. For the good sight in the sky. When I fly this way. As you can see, it was separated the two strap-on boxes. The upper side is for the wings, main wings. Maybe the on the box is for fuselage. Be careful to cut the tape. Yes. Okay. We need main wings here. Not more. Just wings here. And on the box, I expected the fuselage here. Right. Take up the vinyl. Let's check the some scratch or something. Top is not. Well, all right, no problem here. On the fuselage is okay, and horizon stabilizer here, and main landing gear here, nose retractor steering wheel, and the other landing gear, and wing pipe here. Alright, one more thing. Oh, two more things. Maybe there seem to be for the main wing. And the narrow pipe is for the stabilizer. Maybe. Right? Oh no. Alright, the reinforcement for the main wings to fuselage. Right. Two reinforcement strut. Reinforcement strut. What I call that, I don't know well. And some stickers. What is that? Ah, the vertical tail wings. The small wings. And the spinners here, maybe, right? Spinners and some accessories, the antennas and some motor parts and etc. Alright, where's the propellers? Empty? Maybe here? Not here? Yes, wrapping here. And watching here. Okay, vertical tail wing. And here, the 3-blade propellers made by carbon or plastic. Yes, it's made by PVC plastic. All right. Okay, nothing anymore here. Okay. I need some camera's angle for the whole of the parts of this airplane. Just a moment, I'll be back. Alright, you can see everything, and I'll introduce the Cessna 182 parts. This is right wing, and it has the light here, the navigation light here, and strobe light here, and right wings here. Also, it has the navigation lights and strobe light. Okay. It's designed the water connector. You can see that the fuselage Can you see that? That is the one-click sockets to connect with the wings. There's no more rise here required. And propeller, 3 brakes, and the size is 14.5 and 7. And the manuals and the HSD jet logos here. It attached something to wings. And main wing with the struts. And I'm gonna change this wheel to the original magnetic brake system. Yes, I already got from the HSD jet. And vertical tails. And this is the sub connector made by metal. Yeah, it seems to be strong. And main pipe here. Oh, it was very colorful and hard to insert them on the fossil. It's not bad. Yeah, it's very hard to insert to take it out. Oh yeah, right, you can hold. Alright. And main wing strut, reinforcement, and stabilizer. There is drawings. This line is the wing pipe here, and this one for here, insert here, and attach the stickers. Yeah, it seems to be very strong. Yeah. No, a wire. It seems to be very strong. That's plastics and seems to be metal. It's not bad. And yeah, all the parts here. Spinners and some antennas. Antennas all 3. And some plastic parts and extension subcord. And some bolts. And motor mount. Yeah. That's all. I think it seems to taking about within 1 hour for assemble. Okay, this is the unboxing of HSD Jets 1A2 Skyrain Cessna, and its airplane number is November 9258. Yeah, that's all. It's very cool and very simple to assemble the airplane. Alright, that's it. Okay. Thanks for watching the HSD Jets 1A2 Skyrain Cessna. Next time I'll be back with the assembly and some brief about this airplane the Cessna, a little simple history and some kind of pictures. Alright, see you next time and watch my video. Thank you.